What's up, guys? I'm here to help you by sharing with you what it's like to be a Stella and Dot stylist for 1 week. Yep, I just joined and I was curious as to know, hey, what should I expect? I looked for a few videos and I found some, but most of them were talking about what it was like to be a stylist. But my question was, what is it like to be a stylist and what should I expect? Brand new, coming out of gate, right? So here's the thing. I joined Stella and Dot because I already have like a small growing business, which offers spa products, custom candles, and pure silk body scrubs. So you know how you have those customers that say, I don't like candles, or candles aren't my thing, or I don't like scrubs. Scrubs are not my thing. So as an entrepreneur, I was thinking, what can I offer those customers who say that candles aren't their thing? What can I offer those customers who say body silk scrubs and pampering products aren't their thing? So I did a little research and found out Stella and Dot was like the top direct sales company, and I love the goodies they already had, and they empower women. So what I'm going to do with you today is I'm going to share with you, just from my personal experience, the kit that I got, the option that I chose, what came in the mail, and I'm also going to show you the goodies so you'll know what they look like and the quality of them. Now, here's the thing. I just got them today. Yes. So other than the 1, 2, 3 pieces I'm wearing, I have not worn any of them fresh out of the box today. Fresh, fresh, fresh. So I don't even know the lingo and the language, guys. So you're going to get like a crack out of that because I'm so not going to be on point with my description, but you will still get a chance to see it. And if it's something you're interested in, check it out. Take a look at it. All right, so here's the thing. The option that I chose was the $199 startup kit. And I'm going to tell you why. I was really cautious going in, and I didn't really know if it would be something I was interested in 100%. So I kind of proceeded with caution. Now, there are other options. I think there's one for $499, and there may be one that tops that price. But I kind of wanted to do this one step at a time. So I chose the kit that is $199, and here's what you get for that price. In the starter kit, you get this baby right here, which is a traveling bag, which is fantastic. And the quality is absolutely phenomenal and amazing. And here's the other thing I like. I like the fact that everything that they make it responsibly. So people in other countries like aren't starving and aren't when in the other countries, some of the makers like of H&M or Forever 21, like they have those people working and they can't even go to the restroom. Like that's not responsible. But I love that Stella and Dot really consider the people who are putting in the hard work and effort to get these products to us in North America by making sure that they are taking care of the people who make these items. So this is absolutely what comes in the starter kit, part of the $199. And then of course you get all of the marketing tools that you'll need to get started, and that comes in beautiful packaging, your catalogs, your order forms for your in-person trunk shows and stuff, and then you just have a whole bunch of goodies. The other thing that comes in that $199 starter kit, and I'm nowhere near being done, is this baby right here. Oh my God, look at it. It looks like it's bullets, right? But look at the color. It's like gold and silver, and it's like miniature bullets. And I love it because it's heavy, not heavy as in uncomfortable, heavy as in quality. But I love the fact that this can be worn as a feminine piece or a edgy piece because of it being like the bullets. You can wear it with some distressed jeans, a shirt that's off the shoulder. I mean, you can dress this up or dress it down. The other thing that kit comes with is the earrings that match this. I'm calling it a bullet piece. I don't think that's the name of it, but I'm so calling it that, right? So it matches this, and that's these babies right here. And I love them because if you're like me, I like no fuss dressing clothes. Like I want it to be easy and simple. This was simple. I just put this baby on, earrings on, not too heavy, not heavy on the lobes. And the other phenomenal piece that came in that kit for $199, I'm still on this starter kit, and we still have another piece to cover. This love necklace. And let me tell you, hence the word love. I love this necklace. I don't know. It's something about it that makes me feel flirty, girly. I don't know. Kind of lovely, right? So let's get to the other goodie. So here's the other thing. Once you get your starter kit, you choose that. When I signed up, they had a deal where I could choose up to $300 worth of stuff. And the reason I like that is because I got to choose my own pieces, some sample pieces, so that people can see what it's like and ask about it. And then, voila, ask to buy it. So the packaging, boom, cute, 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 cute. And it always comes with a positive message, which I think is dope. So the message on this box, see it? It's cute, right? You see the gold? Nice. It says, do what you love. This is a bracelet that I chose, and it kind of has that diamond look on it. Don't look at my fingernails. Just pay attention to the jewelry. And look at this. Can you see that? It is just like super cute, super adjustable for any size. And look how it looks even with this piece. Look at this. This is Snagalicious. Yes, I just made that word up. Snagalicious. This is dope. I love this. Like, these two are so going to be worn together. Okay, and it looks like diamonds. So it's like blinging. And I know it's not blinging on my screen, but it's like blinging. And it's stern. Like, it's not a flimsy bracelet by any means. And it's so adjustable. And I love the way it adjusts. You see that? The way it just easily, you can just, it's easy, right? So that was one of the pieces that I chose for my starter kit. Still talking about everything for $1.99. The other packaging is this baby right here, which is a necklace. And I had to put it back here. And so this piece is, it's actually an engravable piece. See, and I didn't get anything. I'm telling you, I really proceeded with caution because I didn't even get it engraved, and I could have. So it's like right here. That would be so cute, right? I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah. And this is like a gold piece. But I could have gotten like my name on it, and I didn't. I just was like, I'm just going with it. All right. That's one of the pieces. Now this happens to be dope as well. This is, I love this because you can, look at this. This is crazy. Now you have like, I don't even know. Guys, I'm going to mess this name up. It looks like a pin, like a straight pin, right? But I love the fact that this is one necklace. So you can wear this multiple ways. This is, I love this. Like, this is dope. Like, if you could see this, that is crazy dope. Yeah, check that out. And this is all one necklace. One necklace. Yeah, totally rocker. I could see that, like, oh my God, I can wear a leather bomber jacket and some distressed jeans and a white tee, and that, and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, the other piece that I got, still on $1.99. These earrings are simple but beautiful. Aren't they beautiful? Like, I love this. Now, all the pieces I chose, I'm just going to be honest, what I chose for myself, I wanted something that was simple, that I can dress up or dress down. And then the last piece you're going to look at, you're going to be like, Tanya, that's not simple. It is so magnanimous. Are you ready for it? This is one necklace. Now, this is the banger piece that I chose. Yeah, I didn't even try to take it off. This is crazy, right? Guys, I don't even know how to tell you. This the maker of it must suggest, I don't know, the detail is just insane. But it's a combination of gold and silver, and I love that because that gives it flexibility and variability where you can dress it up or dress it down. And that's what I'm always looking for. Like those pieces I can wear with jeans, but also those pieces I can dress up and wear to work. This is a snagger. For real, for real, for real. Like, and then look at the detail. I want you to look at the detail here. Do you see it? The detail is crazy. It is crazy. So these are the pieces that I chose, um, which is a lot, right? I chose for $199, and I'm looking forward to seeing what I accomplish with this company. I think it's awesome. I think the fact that I am a woman entrepreneur who's growing my business and I had an alternative that I can just add to this, and add to what I already have on my plate. I thought it was just brilliant. Like it didn't make sense for me not to do it because I already have a pampering service. So for a woman to treat herself to Stella and Dot's lovely jewelry, accessories, and clothes now, they have phenomenal clothes. For me to do that, I just thought it just made sense. It was a seamless integration, guys. I hope this video helps anyone who is trying to get on with Stella and Dot, and you're on the brink of should I, should not, doing that whole dance like the double dutch. Should I go? Should I do it? Hey, do it. Let's take this journey together and see where it leads. If you want to get in contact with me and you have any questions, I will be happy to share what I know so far. And I'll be sure to record another video when I have my first pop-up shop, which will be this coming Saturday. So if you want to get in touch with me, check me out at tanyavetter.com. I'll put my email and my website in the notes at the bottom. Bye. Thanks for checking it out. Stella and Dot and tanyavetter.com. Bye-bye.